Are you ready to have your website get found by the right people? Are you looking to rank at the top of Google so you get more traffic to your website? Are you ready to learn how to use SEO and content marketing to grow your organic traffic? If so, you are in the right place, my friend. Welcome to the Simple SEO Content Podcast, where I show you how to combine the power of SEO, search engine optimization, and content marketing to build your like, know, and trust factor with your audience, which allows you to get found by the right people and turn those visitors into buyers. No more frustration or confusion, and no more time wasted wondering if you're doing your SEO right. It's time to learn how to use SEO and content marketing to grow your business. Hi there. Happy Monday. I hope you are having a fantastic long weekend. I wanted to just pop in real quick and let you know about a super fun, exciting, special, free live SEO training class this week. The class is going to teach you how to get started with SEO, which you know is search engine optimization. We're going to meet each morning, tomorrow through Friday, and I am going to teach you everything you need to know to start to have a good, basic, foundational understanding of how SEO works. So we're going to talk about what SEO is and why it's important to your business. We're going to get way into keywords and help you really understand how to choose keywords. Then we're going to talk about exactly what you do on your website for your SEO, step by step by step. And finally, I'm going to do free live SEO website reviews with students in the class to help you understand where you're at right now. Are you on the right track? Do you need to make some edits or changes? What do you need to do? This is going to be an amazing week. I've got a few spots left in the free class. If you want to join me, get signed up now. You can get the registration link if you go to the freebies tab on my website. It's the very first thing there. So etchedmarketing.com/freebies. Very first option there will be the SEO for Beginners course. Now, it's okay if you're not a true beginner. If you've been listening to the podcast for a while and you've got some basics and some understanding of it, you're still going to benefit immensely from joining me in this week's class, because I'm going to take all the things that we talk about on the podcast and I'm going to put them together in order, and I'm going to teach them to you in a very specific manner that's going to make it easier to understand and kind of let you have those aha moments that you want to have. We're also going to talk about simple SEO content. So if you've been thinking that you want to join me inside of simple SEO content, this week is going to be your best chance. Like, come in, get a feel for how I teach, see what you think of the SEO for Beginners course. And then if you're ready, join me in simple SEO content. We are enrolling starting the end of the week. I'll be enrolling for new students starting with me for the January session. So if you've been thinking, I've got to learn SEO, this is it. This is the time. I've got to figure it out in 2024. My friends, I listened and we're going to do just that starting tomorrow. So go to the website, etchedmarketing.com/freebies. Sign up. I know it's going to tell you the session is Tuesday, January 16th, 10 a.m. Mountain. It's going to be the same time each day. It's just a weird little glitch with the system, but go ahead and sign up. You'll be signed up for the whole week. And then from there, I will send you an email each morning that has the link for that day's session, and I will see you in class. If you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram at Etched Marketing Academy, or you can email me, Rachel at Etched Marketing, and I will respond back to them and chat with you soon. I do hope to see you in class. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and your regular podcast episode will be here later this week. Thanks so much. Bye for now. That's all for today's episode of the Simple SEO Content Podcast. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you visit my website, etchedmarketing.com, and visit the freebies tab. Right there, you're going to find the SEO Content Quick Start Guide along with the free SEO class. So you'll have everything you need to know to get started with SEO and content marketing. then do me a favor, if you wouldn't mind, if you would do a rating and a review of this podcast on your favorite platform. That would really help spread the message, and I do greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram at Etched Marketing Academy, and I will see you right back here next week.